Hello everybody! Welcome to Bun Smile. Today I have a very interesting topic to talk about. It's all about SIM card. How to use SIM card inside and outside of Thailand. One thing you have to do when you arrive in Thailand is getting a SIM card. Because with a SIM card, you still can continue using your digital life, for example, order food, getting a taxi, or even go to places with internet. And most importantly, you still can use your Badoo, Tinder, Bumble, or any other dating apps as well. So this video will answer all of the questions that you have about SIM card when you come to Thailand. But before we start, Bun Smile is a personal assistant and travel consulting service that can help you plan your trip or help you get anything you want in Thailand. You can get the right visa, we can help you plan the perfect itinerary, or even help you to get the right place to stay for the next 10 days or even 10 years in Thailand. So if you think you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button so more people can see it. Number 1. Where can I get the SIM card in Thailand? You can get a SIM card from the airport or any shopping center in Thailand, but we recommend you to get from the airport because it's the best idea for you when you arrive in Thailand and your internet's still working, because so that you can text your family and your friend that you have planned safe and sound. And also you can let the airport pickup know that which terminal you are at. Once you get past the baggage section, you will see a lot of SIM card vendor outside. Most of them are very similar. You just pick the one that offer you the most data with the lowest price and offer you the longest time. Don't forget to pick a plan that will last for a whole duration of your trip in Thailand. Every plan will work for entire country, so don't be worried about that. And the next best place is to get from the shopping center. But the least desired place is to get from the convenience store. If you choose to get from the airport or the shopping center, they will help to set it up for you right there and they will make sure that you are good to go. But if you get from the convenience store, it will be on your own. But no matter where you get the SIM card from, don't forget to bring your identification, for example, the passport to prove that before you register. Number 2. Do they have eSIMs in Thailand? Yes, they do. Both at the airport or the shopping center, they can help you to register and set it up in your phone for you. But not all the service providers have it, so you have to check with them first. In Thailand, the cell phone provider, all the shops are sit next to each other, so it's pretty for you to ask around. Comes to number 3. How much is the typical prepaid plan in Thailand? Well, it depends on how long you want the plan to be. Most of the plan comes just only few minutes for calling, but the more popular plan is the tourist-oriented. We see this rate. 8 days with 15 gigs of data, 4G or 5G, 299 baht, about $6. 15 days with 40 gigs of data, 599 baht, about $17. Once you stay longer, we recommend you to download the app that comes with the plan because it's easily for you to top up the plan if you change your mind to stay in Thailand for longer time, and that you can top up it from anywhere in the world by using this app. Comes to number 4. How do I top up my phone? If you are using a lot of data or you are staying longer in Thailand, you'll always be able to renew the plan. Just simply visit any shopping center or convenience store so that you can top up the money in your phone pretty easy. And if you have the bank account in Thailand, feel free to top it up from your mobile banking. Come to number 5. Does my SIM card expire? Not really. As long as you keep some money on the SIM card, it won't expire. You can bring it back home with you. In some cases, you may receive some text notification from it. You can keep the SIM card until your next time visit Thailand. Or you can even top up the money from your home country by using debit card or credit card if you really want to keep the number active. We have known some people who bought the tourist SIM card and keep it active for years. Number 6. Can I roam with this SIM card? Yes, most of the service providers allow you to roam with this SIM card. Let's say if you plan to take a side trip to Vietnam, all you have to do is just add a roaming plan in your phone. The plan will activate once you land into Vietnam and everything will work as per normal with the same number. Your data, Your calls, your text messages will work as per normal so that you can text to your friend to anywhere in Vietnam or in Thailand. What's more, they have a roaming plan for the most of the world. If you go back to Europe, North America, Australia, or anywhere in Asia, the plan still works transparently. Even if you are already in another country, you still be able to use the Wi-Fi to load up the application and then choose the roaming plan. It will work immediately. So it's very important for you to download the application for the phone provider. Number 7. How important to use a phone in Thailand? Unless you're coming here just a few days and plan never want to come back again, we recommend you to get a SIM card, or at least eSIM. Your hotel, getting visa extension, or many other interactions that may require to use the phone number. And it will be also a good idea for you if you be able to share the local phone number. Not to mention, if you are meeting your friend, you also have to give them number as well. Speaking of which. Number 8. Last but not least, what apps are essential in Thailand? Once you get a local phone number, the number one important application you have to get in Thailand is Line. Line is a text messaging application which is the most popular in Thailand by far. You hear the phrase quite often, add Line. Do you have Line? Yeah, let's add Line. Add Line. Yeah. People can add you online by using the phone number or the ID username. Most local business, hotel, or transportation company, they will use Line. All of them will use Line. All the calls will happen in Line. Apart from that, there will be Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. We also recommend you to get the Google Translate or any of your favorite translation app. Google Translate is pretty good, very easy to use because you just ask them to listen to it. Where is the toilet? ห้องน้ำอยู่ที่ไหน? And listen. So you don't have to type in words. Next, always have Google Maps on hand because Thailand is very well represented in the map since the small rural road to the busiest city. Most businesses also have their Google Map profile. So it's very easy for you to give a review if you get a very good service from them. I hope this video was helpful for you about getting a SIM card in Thailand. If you need any help to plan your trip to Thailand or while you are here, just click in the link in the description below. See you in the next video. Bye!
What are you waiting for?
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 What are you waiting for? With One Smile can get you the right long-term visa, find a perfect house, open the local bank account, or even open the business here. So what are you waiting for?